Hello everyone and welcome back to English. Today I come with this viral math question. This is very tricky for many. If you are failing, then don't worry, I will show you how to solve this. I will solve with the stepwise method and comment your whatever your answer will be. I will give you shout out right or wrong. These are top commenters. These are shout out to our challengers. So what we have here, actually we will going to solve with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, so in the PEMDAS we have to operate for parenthesis part first. So we will operate these parentheses first. Okay, so we will write here 2 square 3 minus 1, we will get 2 minus 3 minus 1 square. Again we have to solve for this parenthesis. 3 minus 1, we will get 2. So we will write 2 square. We can rewrite as 2 square times 2 minus, in the place of that, 2 square, and parenthesis operations is done. Then come to next exponent. Here 2 square is 10. 2 square is what? Nothing but 2 times 2, which equals to 4. So we will simply put 4 in the place of 2 square. So our question is 4 into 2 minus 4. Now according to PEMDAS, the next option will be multiplication. So we will operate this part. 4 times 2, which equals to 8. So we will write 8 here minus 4. Now this is very simple. 8 minus 4, which equals to 4 as the right answer. If you are seniors, then check out our best product list in the description, which is specially designed for seniors. And subscribe channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.